Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the four of the AT&T AirTies Air 4920 Smart Wi-Fi extender. I did unbox last time. I'll show you guys videos that I purchased one of this unit from AT&T. It was like $50. So I saw this on eBay. And I guess the seller will try to sell it for $79.99 for two of them. So I offer $60 for two, but I offer to purchase four of them. So the seller accepted my offer. And then some others tax because he was in California. So the total damage for this is $130.50. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm not sure how come USPS, they don't have that pull tab anymore for you to pull it and open, make it easier. All right. So here is one, two. Oh, there's my invoice. Actually, this is instruction manual that the seller make a copy of it. Maybe I should make a video on how to connect this with your AT&T modem router. There's another one. Alright, so I got all four of them. Pretty satisfied with the price that I got it for. So it says I come with the AT&T Wi-Fi extender and Ethernet cable and then the power cord. It says you could download the Smart Home Manager, but I saw some of the viewers saying that they don't really need that. All you need to do is just plug it in and push the sync button on your modem, all right, for about 2-3 minutes for the blinking green light. Oh no, it says power up, plug it in, and then push on and off button on your wireless extender and wait 2 to 3 minutes and make sure all those lights come on, blinking green. And then you're going to pair up. You're going to pair by pressing the WPS button on your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway or your modem router. And then you're going to press WPS on your wireless extender. And then you're going to wait about 3 minutes to let them sync again. Then the flashlight will turn solid green when paired, okay? And here is to troubleshoot. If you have a solid red light, that means it is in a bad location. So I'll give you guys a tips. If you guys put this on the extender in a bad location, it is useless. So be sure to put it in a good location so your other device could have a good signal when you connect this to the wireless extender. And then when it's flashing red light, that means out of range. Let's go ahead and show you guys just one of it real quick. So it comes with this safety instruction, safety and maintenance. and then wireless regulation, and then wireless regulatory information. All right, so here is the extender. Yeah, look exactly like mine. So be sure to look for the exactly the same model that is compatible with your AT&T. So you got the plastic wrapping all around it. You got the rubber for the rubber feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's like a air ventilation hose, okay? And on the top too. And also on this side, and then on the bottom. There's your on and off switch. And there's a reset button right there. If you push like a needle pin or something in there, you can reset it. And then here's your 12-volt adapter. And then here's a gigabyte Ethernet. There's a 1 and then 2. And here's your power adapter. Be sure you get the white one. That's a newer version. And this is a 12-volt, 1 amp output. And the input is 100 to 240 volt, 50, 60 hertz, and 0.5 amp. And here's the Ethernet cable. So anyway, I'm going to add this extender to to extend my coverage. Certain coverage is kind of dead or has a weak signal. So last time the AT&T told me to add a extender, but I didn't want to pay another $50. So I'm glad that I waited. So find a good deal right now, and I could resell those to make my money back, to make for one of it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. And then thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.